In this video, we're going to be looking at a brand new announcement that was released on October 4th from Meta AI, also known as Facebook, which is Mark Zuckerberg's company. I'm talking about their new model called MovieGen. This allows you to create videos, create and edit photos to video, text to video, and a lot of other stuff as well. I am making a video about specifically this one because it is like, wow, and I think it has a lot of promise. Again, this is only being released to show you right now. You do not have the ability to get hands-on with this. And specifically, I'm going to be talking about two different types of AI video generators in this video: Movie Generator, and then the other one is called Make a Video, which was released a couple of years ago in September of 2022. Both of these combined together offer a lot of promise in the future. So here on X, on the AI Meta page, you can see right here, they've said there's a massive new announcement, and today we're premiering, sorry, my English right there, premiering Meta MovieGen, the most advanced media foundation model to date. And going through it, you can see where they say about state-of-the-art results, different range of capabilities, and then it has the ability, where are we here? So yeah, it has the ability to do movie gen video. So it has all of this sort of details here. You can read through it yourself, but you can also generate audio, and then you can do precise video editing, and you can also do personalized videos. But they released this video here below showing what it can actually do. So I want to show you this first. So just looking at that right now, you can see how good those images look, the sound capabilities and everything else. And then if we jump across again here, just to show you, there's a guy called Alvaro Cintas, there you go, that's his name, and he's just showing some actual examples from Meta MovieGen, and this is just a thread he made on X. So you can see right here, the first one is the fluffy koala bear surfing, but there you go, going like that. Image looks really beautiful, really good, really consistent as well. And again, look at all the motion of the waves here and the coming over. There's no weird sort of morphing or anything like that. It's just a very lovely, consistent image. And I mean, again, a ghost wearing the bed sheet faces a mirror. Looks very cool, very nice. And I mean, if we just look at it here quickly, look at the consistency, the body outline of the person in the sheets as well. Like, wow, I'm impressed. This is Meta MovieGen. You can just see some of the images here are what will be in the video, but just opening up to the hippo right here looks really cool, really beautiful. And again, just such a consistent image. And it's what I would imagine, water would look like underwater, I guess. So again, looks really good, really consistent. The floating, the flowers, just everything. And I think, yeah, it's got a lot of great potential. Then if we scroll down here, you can see MovieGen sets a new standard for immersive AI content. So this is just, I guess, general, a bit of everything of what it can do. So it's just more like a highlight reel, different ones, but again, amazing consistency. Even the footprints on the sand there, and you get the idea. Just look at this, and I guess this is a picture they've taken like that, and it's taken that person's picture and then actually, made them drink coffee. A woman sitting on the grass, pumpkin patch, wearing a scarf. The background is filled with a row of pumpkins. Very nice. And this one I thought was great because of the thunder when it just comes here and there. Just looks really nice, really consistent. And again, so then if we scroll down now, there's the different categories. So you can see on top here, generate videos from text. So this is AI text, prompt to video. And again, just looking around, prompts on the bottom. But really nice. I love the consistency of this image here. The light as it flickers around is going, the sea in the background. There's a lot of moving parts and details here. You can say there's a little bit of morphing with the hands there, tiny bit, but nitpicking. This one again, the koala, which is just really, really cool. And then this with the light is really impressive how it shows the consistency there. I mean, look at the reflection as well. It's interesting how that's blacked out there. Maybe, I don't know, it's meant to be for the video and then there's light there. Now this one's interesting because this is edit video with text. So you can transform existing videos with text inputs. MovieGen enables precise editing from styles and transitions to fine-grained edits. So this is the original video. And you can see as you go through, add blue pom-poms in the hands as it has, turn it to cactus desert. My English there, or the way that's written isn't great, but there you go. And then replace the running clothes with an inflatable dinosaur costume. So you get the idea. And then again, here, look at how it's transitioned. I guess it looks like they're wearing Meta glasses, are they? Or something. And then VR headset, and then remove the VR headset, and then again there. And then if we come down here, produce personalized videos. Now this is interesting because this is where you take a picture, and in here it says upload an image of yourself and transform it into a personalized video. MovieGen's cutting edge model lets you create personalized videos that preserve human identity and motion. So again, just as you go in the past, it looks, you know, it's weird and creepy at the same time how it can do this. This one I thought was very particularly impressive, though some of the facial actions can look, you know, a little bit weird there, the eyes. But again, to say the eyes are closed on the demo picture, they've done pretty well. Then this one here, there's a guy, I don't know, what is he? A man sits in the desert, brimmed hat, blah, 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 but you get the idea. And then again, create sounds for the soundtrack. So you can actually play the sounds here, I believe. Really impressive just how it does that. Snakes, I'm not going to do snakes, they're my worst, I hate them. ATV. Impressive. And again, what have we got here? Skateboard. I have to say that's probably my favorite one in terms of sound. That was very impressed with the timing of it as well. Then we have this one here with fireworks. Yeah, they're impressive. I have to say that sort of stuff is very impressive with the sound, with the consistency of the images. I know you're going to say OpenAI with Sora, you've got Kling, and then there's Runway. Peak has just released a new one again as well. Across the board, there's just sort of like saturation because you don't know where to look, because there are so many people like going, there's so many companies vying for your attention with how good their software is. But this one, for me, out of all of them looking at it, looks impressive. And I think just what they've been doing behind the scenes with AI at Facebook, at Meta, is incredible. I haven't personally followed a lot of them because again, there's just so much, but it is really impressive. So now we're going to move on to make a video. Now this one was released about 2 years ago, September 2022. This is to help you pump out volumes of clips that are shorts effectively. So picture, I don't know, like 10-second shorts. This is what this is aimed at. It says it builds on the recent progress of made in text to image generation technology built like that. So again, pause the video, you know, read through it at your own leisure. They are limited to 24 frames a second, 10-second clips. So you have different versions here. So you have surreal, you know, a teddy bear painting a portrait, very interesting. Robot dancing, and you can tell here as well, I would say in my opinion, just coming from the previous model to this now, you can tell there is a lower quality. So it doesn't look as good a quality. It looks a little bit more, I don't know, blurry, just a little look. I mean, look at the eyes there, not as good. The hand morphed, you know, but again, that's not bad. But just the overall, the eye looks a bit weird, and I don't know, let's have a look at realistic. I mean, that looks pretty not bad. Bit of morphing and weirdness there. Clownfish, that's just god awful. Couple walking blended together. The horse there again, and then stylized. Hyper realistic spaceship landing on Mars, meh. Oil painting, no. And that's just god awful creepy. But again, from static to magic. So again, if we go look on the images here, it basically takes a single image and makes it into a moving video. So again, with this one, it's okay. The reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you to see the contrast and difference of how far this has come in their technology, in the AI video technology world for them. To go from something like this to making videos like this at the same company, you can see there's clearly a massive jump. And I mean, regardless of what you think of Meta, Mark Zuckerberg, each to their own, But again, this is just a phenomenal jump. And then as well, I have gone through some of these test papers and included it in the script, extracted little bits, trying to get my head around it. But just to be honest, I've linked them down below in the description, because going through big loads of data like that is just not my thing. I need information extracted out. I'm going to read some of the facts out for you. So in recent tests, Make a Video performed well for fast creative content, but Movie Gen came out on top for more robust high definition video creation. And I think that's true, because you can literally see visually the difference in quality between the one and the other, how good one looks and then how muddy the other one looks. So Movie Gen consistently scored higher in both user satisfaction and quality, especially for its detailed editing and sound capabilities. Let me know what you think of the examples. Let me know what you think of this new release, this new announcement. And do you think it's better? Do you think it's worse? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you for watching. And for me right now, from Meta, this is the biggest and best AI video generation announcement in terms of what it can do, you know, the ability to make the sounds, and the sounds sound really high quality as well, just across the board. I think it's fantastic, and go and have a look at it for yourself. It's linked in the description down below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.